What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the mockups on Canva, okay? So imagine the following scenario. You do need to apply a photo of your Instagram profile, but you would like to apply this into a phone, okay? No needs to adjust, to change, to organize. No need for this. We can apply this photo into a mockup. How to do this is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to our Canva, choose the desired layout. In my case, it's gonna be social media style, maybe a YouTube thumbnail, just like this, so I can choose this. Now review the left side of menus and you're gonna be able to see design, elements, text, the brand. Go to elements, scroll it down just a little bit with calm. And next to grids, we're going to be able to find mockups. In the case that you don't find mockups right here, you can always go to apps and type mockups, okay? You're going to be able to find the same app. Now you can choose, for example, smartphone. There is a couple of smartphones to play with. I think I like this one right here. So all I have to do is apply this mockup. Now let me apply this into the page, just to keep things organized, just like this. Now, all I have to do is go to my left side of menus once again to upload the photo that I would like to be my mockup. I already have this is my Instagram file. Now I'm gonna drag, hold the mouse button and drop inside this picture. Wait a moment, and here is the result I got, a perfect mockup. Let's try a new one so you can see it working. Maybe this one right here is okay. Well, now let's go to uploads and apply the photo just like this. Of course, you can apply any kind of photo, but more likely good for in the case that the image have the same proportion, okay? So in the case that your mockup gonna be your cell phone, it's be good that the photo present on the mockup be the one of your cell phone, okay? Some others may be cut, okay, and does not gonna looks like. If you click on the photo, you can customize. In the case that you want, you can change, crop, and flip or change the alignment. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.